How do you format sound effects in a screenplay so that they stand out clearly on the page? Sound effects are written in all caps within the action lines. They are not there for the reader, they are there for the sound department, the editor, and everyone else who needs to plan those moments during production. For example, the window shatters. A dog barks in the distance. Those capitalized words immediately tell the crew that those are sounds that will need to be created or sourced later. You don't need to capitalize every sound, just the ones that matter for storytelling or production. If it's a key sound like a gunshot or a scream or an explosion, then you write it in all caps. But if it's just background texture like rain falling or traffic humming, then you can leave it lowercase, unless it's important to the story. You can also use spacing to create rhythm or tension. Bang! Silence. Then another bang! Those line breaks help the reader and production team feel the timing of each sound. That draws attention to it visually, but use it only when it really matters. The goal isn't just to make the page look good, it's to make sure that everyone involved in bringing the scene to life knows what they need to hear. And that is how to format sound effects in your screenplay. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.